3, 4, 5.
If you've ever had trouble finding someone to work with and connect with your child, maybe you've forgotten the person who knows your child most. You. To help you, I've developed an online motor curriculum for children with special needs and disabilities to rediscover their bodies. The ASP Somatic program has helped thousands of children around the world for its creative, experiential approach to motor learning. Anyone can begin to help their own children with easy-to-follow exercises, tips, and extensive online support. So if you're a parent or caregiver, or just interested in teaching the body-mind arts to children in this amazing population, join us for our upcoming webinar and workshops by clicking the link. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to change and transform your child's life.